Managing your earnings on Ayuda is easy, and we provide you with a seamless way to access your wallet and withdraw your hard-earned money. In this video, we'll show you how to access your Ayuda wallet and initiate a withdrawal. Let's get started. Open the Ayuda app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the More button at the bottom navigation bar. You'll be presented with a menu. From this menu, select Wallet to proceed. Inside your wallet, you will see a summary of all the earnings you've accumulated through the work you've done or completed on the app. To withdraw money from your wallet to your preferred payment account, follow these steps. Tap on the Request Withdrawal button. Alternatively, you can tap on the three-dot options menu and select Request Withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from your wallet and tap the Proceed button to confirm your withdrawal request. Please keep in mind that withdrawal requests may require a few business days for processing before the funds are credited to your chosen payment account, whether it's your mobile money or bank account that you provided during registration. That's it. You've successfully accessed your Ayuda wallet and initiated a withdrawal. Your hard-earned money will soon be on its way to your payment account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Ayuda.